Most importantly, kids, keep in mind that based on the lessons I provide you, you can earn dollars for free on this site. Hello dear friends, welcome to another video in the field of earning high dollar income. As it is written on the site, it brings you $30 to $40 daily, not hourly, just by simple clicking. And most importantly, kids, keep in mind that based on the lessons I provide you, most importantly, kids, I provide you with. You can even reach a daily income of up to $100. You just need to listen to me and start your income to achieve free dollar income. Right now, we click on the sign up option. In the first section, we enter the username. In the second section, the email. And in the third and fourth sections, we enter and repeat our password. And then click on the verify option. We click on verify so that our account is verified and the required captcha is solved for us, and then we click on the sign up option. This way you can easily withdraw the digital currency TRX. And later in the video I will fully teach you how to withdraw and how to operate within this site. If you have enjoyed watching the video up to this point, give it a like. Let's dive into the details of this exciting site. As you can see, by simply clicking on this site and just solving captchas and clicking on the claim option, you can earn up to 30 TRX. Earn and completely free withdraw 30 TRX into your wallet account. In this way, you can have a very good income using this site that I am introducing to you. If you verify your email, a code will be sent to your email, and you enter that code, you will receive 10 free spins that you can use immediately, and in every hour you can have free withdrawals of up to 50 TRX. I have placed the site link in the video description for you. If you click and use my link, you will receive many bonuses. If you can't click in the video description, let me know in the comments to send you the site link and I will send it to you. You click and earn from there. You start on your own and earn a lot. There is a gaming section. Children and young adults should be aware that these games, while entertaining, are only made to take the money from your account and unfortunately declare you a loser, almost 99% of the time. As you saw, I clicked and most of the options were locked for me, and the bomb option that I clicked on was activated for me. The income I earned from the site's free features is lost through these games. If we click on the deposit option, which I do not recommend doing. Why? Because if you invest and lose your money, you will be upset, and won't achieve financial independence in your life. So what do? I operate for free and also withdraw for free. And by using the withdraw option that I just clicked on and selecting the Tron network option, I enter my address, click on the max option, click verify, and then click on the withdraw option, mom. In this way, my withdrawal is completed, and you can check your account in less than 5 minutes and withdraw the dollar income that you worked hard for. We are done with this part, and if you have enjoyed the video up to this point, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and definitely like the video. Now let's move on to the continuation of the story, and a very exciting part that I want to share with you. It's the referral section, where through this part you can increase your dollar income up to 3 or 4 times through the referral link that you are currently seeing. Let me explain how. For example, for every 2 friends you invite to this site, you double your income. So what happens? You can also earn a lot through the service option, and by solving surveys, you can increase your income even more, helping you achieve financial independence sooner in your life. If you enjoy watching my videos, be sure to check out my previous videos as well. I've brought 4 videos for you on the page, so click and don't miss the new videos. Thank you very much and goodbye until the next videos.